Hey, welcome back. My intro actually deleted, so I'm doing this all over again, but this is my birthday trip prep week, and so I'm doing like appointment Olympics, so my nails, my toes, my eyebrows, my hair, everything, and I'm actually packing right now, but we'll go back to like everything because I accidentally deleted it. I saw it and it said, would you like to delete this video? And it deleted. 8 of us, we're gonna go to an island, and I've never been there. I've always wanted to go here, but I'm gonna do a whole vlog. We're going for 4 days, so Thursday to Monday. My sisters are coming, which I'm so excited about, but like also friends are coming, but all of us together, it's 8 of us. And there's no itinerary, so we're just kind of going with the flow. But now we could go back to when I was gonna do my toes. I'm here. I've been going to the salon for like 2 months now, and I really like how they do it. Like, it's really, they take care of you. So that's the reason I'm coming back. But I'm gonna show you the before nails and after, but I'm so excited to get a pedicure. I'm gonna do white toes as I mentioned, but also like the massage part, everything. So let's go. Today I'm doing my nails. I'm getting my nails done. Right now I don't have anything, but this is a new nail tech and I just arrived and I've heard good reviews about her. I know like a couple of people that went to her and their designs were, so I'm excited because these are like my birthday nails and I've been wanting to go to her, but let's see. I love it. Do you see the gold? Originally, I wasn't supposed to get fully gold, but I actually love this because I'm turning 25 on the 25th, so it's like my golden birthday. But I don't know, I was kind of hesitating to do all full gold. But now that I look at it, she really did that. Like, I just like the shape, the color, the design. Do you see? Do you see? It was not too long, too short. Perfect size. I can function. I can type a little. Nails are done. Next up is eyebrows. So the eyebrow situation, I was supposed to get my eyebrows done this morning, but then she texted me saying, hey, like I'm not able to do it. Can we move it to 5? But then my nails went over, so now I'm late. Like the nail place is an hour away from me. I had to drive all the way like 40 minutes away from me. Now I have to go back home. I don't have the Easy Pass to like, if you don't know what an Easy Pass is, it's basically like this toll thing, like it's paid for you, you pay monthly. I don't have that. Because I think my dad took it. Anyway, I don't think I'll be able to make it by 5:30. So 5:45, I'm getting there 6:06. So I'm like, maybe go tomorrow. Like, I really want to get my eyebrows done, but it's not as bad. Like, I don't have a lot of hair. I usually don't because my eyebrows are thinner. I would still like to do it. Because I don't know anybody else like that knows how to thread better than her. Like, we know another person, but she's gone too. Everybody said, let's leave for February. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, my nail tech is gone. The lady that used to do our eyebrows, I don't think she's here. That's why we're like, me and my sister, we're trying to find different people to like do our nails, our eyebrows and stuff like that. After my eyebrows, I just have to do my hair and then pack. That's it, basically. Because I did Selfcare Sunday, I did my pedicure, nails, and hair. I think that's it. And then pack. And then we're going. Tropical Island. It's like, You know, like when that excitement kind of goes away right before the trip. I feel like that's because of like everything, trying to organize everything. Because like I'm like the host, so like I organized that. I found the place, I invited people, I told them this. So you know, like when you just like, you know, and another person dropped out, so like another person was able to come. It was just a lot of things to do, okay? And then like contacting the resort, that like type of stress kind of makes like the excitement really like die down a little. But I know we're gonna have fun. That's why I keep telling myself, like, the week before a trip, it's always so stressful for some reason. That always happens. But you know what? We're good. Okay? Everything's gonna work out. In Jesus' name.
So excited to get into what we're going to talk about today, because the whole purpose to this podcast is to navigate the Christian lifestyle in an intimate manner. Like every time I record my podcast,
I just got my eyebrows done. It literally took her 8 minutes to get this done. It was so quick. I was in and out. Like literally, my appointment was at 2:30. I got out 2:38 or 2:39. And yeah, she did a good job. She just cleaned it. I don't like when people like reshape it all over again. Because I just like my natural shape. But now I think I just have to pick up a couple of things, pack, and I'm ready for the trip. I just came back from picking up like some things I needed. Like I got like moisturizers, sunscreen. I also have my carry-on and my bag. This is actually new. I got it from Beis. Let me show you. It was like a birthday present to me because you know, you've got to treat yourself for your birthday. It's something I've been wanting for a long time. But I definitely want to get like the full, like the bigger one later because I'm gonna travel more this year. I'm gonna need the bigger one for 2 of the trips. This carry-on, it's the maple and the brand is Beis, B-E-I-S. The girl from Pretty Little Liars, what's her name? Shay Mitchell. This is her brand and she, oh my goodness, I follow them on Instagram. When I tell you, this whole luggage company is so thought out. Like the coolest part of this seems like an ad. It's not. This is something I legit paid for and got it as a birthday present. But there's this thing right here where, first of all, there's a lock. Second, it tells you when you cross 50 pounds. So like most airlines won't let you on if it's like, or like won't take it if it's 50 pounds or more. If it's 50 pounds and you pick it up, if it turns red, that means it's past 50 pounds. Isn't that the coolest thing? Like I don't know any other luggage company that does that. I'm leaving for 4 days, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday we come back. So Thursday it's not a full travel day because we get there 12 and we have the rest of the day to go to the other places. So I'm also counting Thursday, so I'm packing for 4 days. And it's like daytime clothes, nighttime, day, night, you know, girl thing. I put all my stuff under my desk because I ordered some things from like different places and now I have to open it. I also have to do some laundry for just like some things, but it's time to get packed. Also, they have this thing. This is also from Beis, but it's like a bathroom holder. I've been wanting something like this for the longest time, and I was like, if I'm gonna start buying things, this is a year of quality. I want quality things that'll last me a long time. So these are a little pricey, but it's worth it. Almost tripped on it. The process for me to pack is I start laying down things for the day, and I feel like that helps. And then I'll do hygiene, makeup, jewelry, everything last. So I've already thought out what I'm gonna bring, but I bought packing cubes because the other one I got, this thing's gonna end me. You wanna take me there? The other one I got, it broke, and it's from like Amazon. I felt like it was cheaper, so I'm like, let me just get one. This is from Amazon too, but it had good reviews. But these are just packing cubes, and it matches. I was gonna get the gray one, but then I was like, maple just looks so cute. Cubes on cubes on cubes, that just helps you organize your clothes. Also, Beis gave me like a trash, like dirty bag whenever you're done. So it also comes with this, and it's the dirt bag. I think we're gonna get in the water a lot, and there's also a laundry unit in our villa house. Now it's time to just lay down the clothes. It's so tiny! I forgot this is a carry-on. Yeah. Why?
Because we can't find it. Yeah, we can't find it. It was really cute.
Over summer. Look at this. It was like brown and like tan.
Oh, you got the little spray?
Ah, you do!
Found it?
They're cute.
I got my nails done too.
Oh, the gold is cute. Fits. Golden birthday.
Me and Muthi got our nails done too. Really?